How's it going, guys? Richard here with High Tech Legion, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Azio MGK1 RGB backlit mechanical gaming keyboard. Now, I think you guys are going to want to stay tuned because this should be a very interesting video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so here we go. Here's the MGK1. Let's take a look at what comes in the box. So first off, we have the palm rest right here that is detachable. It's got two little clips underneath. Pops on, pops off very easily, so if you don't like it, you can just take it right off. We have a keycap puller. Ooh. Keycap puller that the keyboard comes with. So if you want to remove, say, your F key here, slip that over like that. You can pull your F key off like that. Very simple. Clean it off, do whatever you need to do. Put it back on there, there we go. Next, they give you a user guide. It's got all the keyboard shortcuts, warranty information, all the good stuff. Alright, so let's talk about the key features of this keyboard. So we've got a USB 2.0 interface, we've got Kale Blue switches, which closely resemble Cherry MX Blue switches. Very tactile, very clicky. Alright, I'm going to insert some sound here of me typing on the keyboard. We've got a 6-foot braided cable. Very nice cable. Full N key rollover. That's for Windows only. You can't get full N key rollover on Mac, so just be aware of that. And this keyboard is a fully standalone keyboard as far as needing software. It does not need software at all to operate, and there is no software available for it. All of the backlight modes are fully pre-programmed into the keyboard. So it also lets users remap each individual key to any color of their choosing. I'll demonstrate this a little bit later on. Also, it has a gunmetal anodized aluminum faceplate. Very, very nice for rigidity, and the keyboard feels very, very sturdy when using it. Also, we have up here, we have a volume knob up here in the corner. Very, very nice. And we also have a mute button for the volume. Also very, very nice, very clicky. I like that. You can tell that you hit it. So we also have function buttons. So if you'll notice, this keyboard actually has a function key right here. And if you hold down that function key, every single F key will do a different shortcut. So F1 to F4, volume and multimedia. F5 to F7, play, pause, stop, rewind. F9 to F12, you've got your email, home, calculator, and your search button. So very nice to have. Alright, so here we go. Let's have a look and see what this keyboard has to offer for RGB modes, since this is a fully RGB keyboard. So the first mode you guys are seeing right now is Spectrum Cycling Mode. It basically cycles through all the different colors. Very nice, very even, very fluid. To change modes, you're going to hit Function, and you have all 6 of these keys right here are your RGB modes. So we'll hit Function and we'll hit the Home button. That's going to bring us into Splash mode. And you'll see right there that it's rippling out from the center. Now if we do Function, hit Splash mode again, it's not going to do anything unless we press a key. So that's fun. I mean, if you like that type of stuff. Next up, we have Wave mode. Function, page up. Cycles through. Now I believe, say you see a color you like, you can actually hit Function, hit Wave mode again. Yep, and there it is. It actually pauses on that color, or wherever it was, it just pauses it. Hit Function, page up again, and it unpauses it, and it'll go again. Next up, we have Color Marquee mode. So Function, delete. Most of you guys are going to know this just as rainbow. A rainbow effect on an RGB keyboard. Really nice. Alright, so next up we have Custom mode. So function and end is going to give us custom mode. Now you can see here that I already have a couple keys programmed in. 1, 2, 3, 4, WASD, F and R. And you can actually see some of the white keys, and G is blue. Some of the white keys are actually brighter than some of the other ones over here, and that's because I have those programmed white. So to get into program mode, you're going to hit function, you're going to hit end again, you're going to see the light up here start blinking. That means you're in function mode. So what you can do now is any key on the keyboard, you can take and push and cycle through all the different colors. So let's change all the colors of here to green. And we'll leave the white ones white. You can see Q, E, T, Y, Z, X, C, and V are white. And it looks like a couple over here are white. You can change all of them. You can turn them off, turn them on, whatever you want. So to get it out of program mode, function, delete, light goes off, you're good to go. You're good to use the keyboard. Alright, so next up we have reactive mode. Function plus page down. Hit a key, it lights up. Hit a key, it lights up and it fades out. So if we do function page down again, each time you do that, it's going to change the color. Function page down. Function page down. Each time you do it, you're going to change the color. So let's go back to color marquee mode. Very, very nice. The RGB modes on this keyboard are very nice. And it's so simple. Very, very simple. Since you don't need software, it's very simple to operate. Some of the keyboards with software, they're complicated. And a lot of people don't put the time or have the time to deal with the complicated software. And sometimes there's even compatibility issues with keyboard software. So having a keyboard like this, where there's no software, it's plug and play, it's a very, very nice to have. Alright guys, so to wrap this review up, I've been using the Azio MGK one for about 2 weeks now. Absolutely amazing keyboard from the start. Build quality, superb. Ergonomics, amazing. Azio really did a very good job on this keyboard, especially at the price point that this keyboard comes in at. At the recording time of this video, you can pick this keyboard up for about 110 bucks. Full RGB mechanical keyboard with an anodized aluminum faceplate, 110 bucks. And it's a name brand keyboard. I think a lot of you guys would be hard pressed to find a name brand keyboard with the features that this has to offer at that price. Plus, Azio has a 3-year warranty on this thing. So, I don't know. I think that's almost unbeatable. So, we're going to give this keyboard a High-Tech Legion Editor's Choice Award and an amazing keyboard. So, highly recommend it. We're going to have some articles and some things for you guys to read down in the description. Check out our social media. It's been great. Richard from High-Tech Legion signing out. Bye-bye, guys. See you in the next one.